In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see 3D view in Google Maps. The 3D view lets you explore cities and landscapes with depth. So buildings and terrain look realistic instead of flat. It's useful for getting a feel for a neighborhood, previewing landmarks, or simply enjoying a more immersive way to browse the world. First, open your web browser and go to google.com/maps. When the page loads, you'll land on the standard map with roads, labels, and places. This default view is fast and clear for directions, but it doesn't show photo imagery or depth yet. To switch into the mode that unlocks the 3D effect, look toward the bottom left corner of the map for the satellite option and click Satellite Byte. Instantly, the map swaps to high-resolution aerial imagery. In many supported areas, this imagery includes photorealistic buildings and terrain that have true depth, so rooftops, stadiums, bridges, and hills appear three-dimensional rather than flat. As you explore, notice how textures and shadows make structures pop and how hills and valleys take on shape. Large metropolitan regions and popular destinations often have the richest detail. If the place you're viewing still looks flat even with satellite on, that usually means 3D data isn't available there yet, or you may be viewing from too far out for the effect to be obvious. Give the imagery a moment to sharpen. Higher resolution tiles load progressively, and a stable internet connection helps everything render smoothly. Behind the scenes, the 3D look comes from thousands of overlapping images blended with elevation data, a technique called photogrammetry. Because coverage expands over time and varies by region, some cities will look incredibly lifelike while rural areas may remain flatter. An up-to-date browser and a reasonably powerful device can also improve how quickly and crisply the scene loads. The satellite toggle you clicked is simply a visual layer switch, and it's safe to use whenever you want to compare between the basic map and the photorealistic view. Street names and points of interest continue to appear on top of the imagery, so you can recognize locations and navigate easily while enjoying the richer perspective. That's all you need to start enjoying the 3D view in Google Maps. Open google.com/maps, then click satellite at the bottom left. Try it on a few places you know well to see the added depth, and you'll quickly appreciate how much more informative and immersive the experience becomes.